Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. In this video, we will discuss the exercise of your chapter 24, evolution. Let's start with the MCQs. So the first MCQ is, using the Hardy-Weinberg principle, which expression represents the frequency of the homozygous recessive phenotype? जिसका right option है option C, Q square. Second question है, the process of dash and dash genetic variation and dash produces the adaptation to the environment. ऑप्शन ए है सेक्सुअल रिकॉम्बिनेशन, नेचुरल सिलेक्शन, म्यूटेशन. ऑप्शन बी है जेनेटिक ड्रिफ्ट, म्यूटेशन, सेक्सुअल रिकॉम्बिनेशन. ऑप्शन सी है म्यूटेशन, सेक्सुअल रिकॉम्बिनेशन, जेनेटिक इलेक्शन. ऑप्शन डी है म्यूटेशन, नेचुरल सिलेक्शन, जेनेटिक ड्रिफ्ट. तो राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी, म्यूटेशन, सेक्सुअल रिकॉम्बिनेशन एंड जेनेटिक ड्रिफ्ट. क्वेश्चन 3 है, द नेचुरल सिलेक्शन इज समटाइम डिस्क्राइब्ड एज द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. Which of the following most accurately measured an organism fitness? Option A, its mutation rate. Option B, how many fertile offspring it produces. Option C, its ability to withstand the environmental extremes. Option D, how much food it is available to make or obtain. The right option is option B, how many fertile offspring it produces. Question 4 है, the smallest biological unit that can evolve over time is a species, an individual organism, an ecosystem, a population. The right option is option D, a population. Question 5 है, which of the following ideas is common to both Darwin and Lamarck's theory of the evolution? Adaptation result in different reproductive success. Evolution derive organisms to greater and greater complexities. Evolutionary adaptation result from the interaction between organism and environment. Option D है, the fossil records support the view that species are fixed. The right option is option C, evolutionary adaptation. Question 6 है, which of the following pairs of the structure is likely to represent the homology? The wings of a bat and the forelimbs of a human, the hemoglobin of a baboon and that of a gorilla, the brain of a cat and a dog, and the wings of a bat and an insect. तो analogy characters हैं, तो the wing of the bat and an insect. Question 7 है, all organisms share the same genetic code. This commonality is evident that option A, evolution is occurring now. Option B, convergent evolution has occurred. Option C, all organisms are descendant from a same common ancestor. Option D, evolution occurs gradually. The right option is option C, organisms are descendant from a common ancestor. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हुए. In the next video we will discuss the short questions. Thank you.